Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking Chrysler Pacificas. We're going to show you how to adjust and reset your headrest. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers, out at the Pacifica now. Let's go ahead and open up the driver's side door. I want to show you the headrest. And right here is the headrest, and you've got the same headrest throughout the vehicle at all your seat locations. Now, first what we'll do is we'll cover this little button right here. And in the event that you want this headrest up or down, you just simply compress or push that button in and move the headrest up or down. And in the event that you want to remove this headrest altogether, you will compress or push that button in, and at the same time with the other hand, push that opposite side button in, and you can pull this entire headrest up and out of these holes or inserts. And in addition, what some people don't know is the true design behind these headrests. They're very comfortable. I talked to a friend of mine that has owned a Pacifica for several years, and he mentioned that the headrests weren't that comfortable. And the more we talked, I realized all he had to do was adjust it. So what we will do next, I will shift this headrest forward or toward the steering wheel. You will hear some clicking sounds. Hear that? And it gets to a point where, yeah, I could understand why that would be uncomfortable. However, all you have to do to reset it is pull it all the way forward and allow it to go all the way back to its original position. So as you can see, the design of these headrests, they have multiple position settings to allow you to find your perfect comfort spot. And again, reset it by pulling it forward and releasing it all the way back. So hopefully that helps. What I want to do next is show you our next project. We actually have an issue right here. This is a light and it's broken inside. So what we were going to do, as you can see on the opposite side, that is what it is supposed to look like. There is no light. It's up in there, and I have to remove this panel and reposition it or replace it altogether because we're not sure if it's broken inside there. So hopefully this helps. In the event that you want to see the step-by-step video on that, definitely check out the video link scrolling above. From here, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.